Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio Water Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio Water Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Cancer or Sagittarius. Right now, maybe the connection is very, very slow. Lots of you are in separation. Let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Under the deck, 5 of Swords, Ace of Swords, and the Hierophant, and 6 of Cups. I think you're both thinking about each other a lot and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. But there are some commitment or marriage issues between you and your person. Maybe they backstabbed on you, cheated on you. Lots of you are involved in third party situation. Yes. I think there is some truth came out from this situation. Maybe you recently came to know about the truth. Some communication. For some, there is some communication is coming, but a lot of issues going right now between you and your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, High Priestess, 2 of Cups, and Knight of Cups. There is mutual love definitely between you and your person. And in recent past, you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. And for some, a brand new person is already entered in your life. If you not, they will. You have options in love, Scorpio. Then present 4 of Swords, Temperance, and 6 of Wands. I think this connection is very, very slow moving. Things are not going very well between you and your person. Lot of issues. You are taking your time. You are taking rest. Maybe you are thinking about them a lot. You are healing. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. And you are balancing things within yourself. And you want to restore the balance within yourself. And 6 of Wands, you are getting success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work, Scorpio. And here patience is the key. Lot of waiting is going because 3 of Wands, the Tower, and 10 of Swords. Right now, lots of you are in separation, definitely. But still you are waiting on them. Still you have small hope. Maybe they will come back. Maybe they will call that type of hope. But I think you're very tired. Your energy is totally drained, Scorpio. You are going through a tower moment right now. Maybe in near future. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we'll get more clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. They are not expressing their true feelings to you. They are in very, very slow moving energy. They are feeling that this connection is becoming burden for them. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Scorpio. There is no balance in this connection. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Wow. Lovers, harmony, conditioning. There is love. They want harmony in this connection, but they are very conditioning. I think they are very dominative. Maybe for some, this person is toxic for you. They are always suppressing you. And Queen of Pentacles and aloneness. Right now, your person is isolated, feeling isolated. And for some, they are isolated from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. And Queen of Pentacles. Definitely they want stability in this connection, but they're they are heavily obsessed with you. And for some, this person is really toxic for you. There is love and they want harmony, but they are not, their words are different from their actions. There is no match. So let's see their intentions. There is no harmony in this connection due to their conditioning behavior. See, moment to moment. So they always changing moment to moment. They always juggling. There is no clarity at all. Friendliness, Two of Cups, and going with the flow. Yes, they really do love you, but for some, maybe they're just obsessed with you. For some, this person may be really toxic for you. Because there is no clarity, they always juggling. For some, they always keep putting you in friendship zone and going with the flow. They're always going with the flow. They're not taking a serious decision regarding this relationship. There is love, but there are a lot of issues. And transformation. Right now, maybe your person going through some transformation. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Projections. Yes, lot of confusion because they have no clarity. Then how they give clarity to you? And the dream, they are always dreaming about you, thinking about you, but there is no clarity from their side especially, and they're very passionate about you. And Seven of Wands, maybe they're feeling stress, maybe your person is overburdened, but they're thinking that their life is incomplete without you. Yeah, they're dreaming about you, they're thinking about you a lot, but they have no clarity. For some, maybe they have options, that's why they're juggling. I think you're very defensive now. You're taking your power back. You're protecting your emotions. Yeah, there is some big happiness is coming for you, Scorpio, and lots of your children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, you're feeling overburdened, you're feeling hardworking because you only the person taking care of this relationship. That's why you decided to move on, but they're rushing to communicate with you. There is communication is coming. So let's see mutual. Yeah, Nine of Swords. You both are missing each other a lot. There is love. Yeah, there is love, lot of love because the lovers. For some, maybe it is more about physical than emotional. Definitely one person may be a player in this connection. You decided to cut off this person and taking your control back. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I want to be honest with you. Maybe there are some trust issues between you and your person. New love is coming. Mask, and I'm feeling sad without you. So these are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. I want to be honest with you. New love is coming, and mask. Maybe they're not expressing the true feelings to you. They're wearing mask. And be bold and make the first move, cardinal moon. So if you want to make a move towards your person and waiting for a sign, this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. And the second message, you are good enough, full moon in Virgo energy. So you are feeling that you are not good enough. So this is the message for you. You are good enough. Don't feel that you are not good enough, because when you give respect or love to yourself, then everyone will give it to you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.